Well, hey, good morning, everybody. If you look over my shoulder, you'll see that kind of cool rack under my tire. I'm going to talk a little bit about that. That will hold my Ubco 2x2 bike, and we're just doing a couple finishing touches on it to get it on the road. We'll give you more details as that happens. What do you think, Eddie? Smooth as silk?
Yeah, let's see how this thing fits here.
There we go. Awesome. Eddie, thanks so much for all the work you're doing on this, man. So this is Eddie from Eddie's Inboard.
Hi there.
And this is Eddie. These are our friends at Old Man Overland. So, but I've been telling everybody about my Ubco bike and how difficult it is to move the darn thing sometimes.
Heck yeah.
And the racks that I've used before are pretty flimsy, but this one you built for me, which I'm pretty impressed with. We'll lock in the hitch with a tightener, but just can you walk through kind of what we built this out of?
Well, we got a base underneath here that is the main frame for the support of the bike, which the front hoop comes into for securing the front tire, and then the ramp made out of aluminum bolts on top of it, and that just kind of keeps the tire from sliding side to side. Tie down points, we've got 4 anchor points on it for however you'd like to strap it down. And then a lightweight ramp that is just held on with a wing nut here that attaches out here with 2 pins, so you can roll the bike on there from the side.
Yeah, it works out really perfectly. And we've built this in such a way that we've added an extra hitch on the outside. So I could put a small boat trailer here, or a small other trailer, fishing boat or whatever. We've got enough strength in the bar and the welds to hold everything together.
Yep, definitely. Yeah, it's made out of a pretty good solid piece of receiver tubing there. So.
Yeah, and what I like about it is when you built it with this aluminum, it made it a lot lighter. Plus, it looks cool.
Yeah, it's lighter and stronger at the same time there.
Yeah, so, folks, this is just an example of finding local resources to get the job done. So I found Eddie through a guy who did a canvas for me on my...
it's a small
it's a small world, it's a small circle, but nothing better than personal recommendations. So I couldn't be more pleased with what you've done on the back of... the FJ, and we're going to be hauling the bike and everything else across the country. We'll be taking lots of pictures. But if you have a boat in the Arizona area or anywhere, frankly, and you need expertise, you're going to want to come to Eddie's Inboard. So, what's the website? You have a website?
Eddie'sInboardMarine.com.
Eddie'sInboardMarine.com. How awesome is that?
Simple.
That's right. I would have come up with the same name, you know. So, anyway, but I've been visiting these guys a lot, and I will come back and see them again for sure. But right now, I'm better equipped because Eddie hooked me up. So, Eddie, I really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Take care, everybody. We'll see you on the road.